The Ar-Rahmah Islamic Boarding School or Pesantren in Ngawi Regency, East Java, is a girls-only institution home to more than 450 students. In the past, the school was affiliated with JI. After Jemaah Islamiyah was disbanded last year, the Ar-Rahmah Islamic Boarding School put up a flagpole to fly the state colors. The presence of the national flag was meant to instill a sense of patriotism and civic pride, helping students to feel more connected to their country and community. Last year, the school also marked Indonesia's Independence Day for the first time and is preparing to do so again on 17th August. But change here started long before JI's dissolution. Ar-Rahmah received its operational permit from the Ministry of Religious Affairs in 2021. So far, 21 former JI-linked pesantren have been granted such permits.
Jadi sumbangsih kami dari pesantren untuk negara ini sebenarnya tidak perlu dipertanyakan lagi. Kita bukan hanya slogan, kita bukan hanya teori, tetapi pada tataran praktek ya, ikut mencerdaskan kehidupan bangsa itu sudah kita jalankan.
The Al-Ihsan Islamic Boarding School in Madiun City, East Java is another institution previously linked to JI. The pesantren recently joined the free nutritious meal program launched in January this year. It's a sign of the school's transformation in accepting programs from the state. The school is in the process of obtaining an operational permit.
Mudah-mudahan ya, izin operasional bisa segera. Ya. Kalau sudah ada izin operasional, kita juga bisa lebih banyak berbuat lah. Ya. Bisa lebih banyak berbuat secara formal, ya, secara formal. Dan saya kira kalau sudah ada izin operasional, insya Allah pemerintah dalam hal ini juga punya anggaran-anggaran tersendiri untuk memajukan pendidikan.
The Religious Affairs Ministry says it's assessing 30 pesantren with past JI ties for operational permits.
Memang tidak segampang itu. Karena kami juga tidak boleh tergesa-gesa begitu hanya karena ingin memenuhi syarat-syarat administrasinya, tapi kemudian ada hal-hal yang terlanggar. Ini kan bicara soal negara, soal bangsa, kita harus sama-sama menjamin keselamatan bangsa sehingga satuan-satuan pesantren yang berdiri juga adalah pesantren yang nanti pada akhirnya loyal dan berdedikasi tinggi kepada bangsa dan negara.
In May, JI's former head, Para Wijayanto, was released on parole. Since his release, the 60-year-old has engaged terror convicts in maximum security prisons to counter extremism. He has also met with leaders from Indonesia's biggest Islamic organizations, Muhammadiyah and Nahdlatul Ulama.
Kami ingin bekerjasama dalam memperbaiki kurikulum pondok pesantren yang sebelumnya terafiliasi dengan JI untuk belajar bagaimana kurikulum yang menghasilkan wasatiyah tadi, Islam yang moderat.
Indonesia's Police Counter-Terrorism Unit Special Detachment 88 says former JI members have so far kept their commitment to abandon their old ideology 1 year after the group's disbandment. It supports the ongoing efforts toward moderation.
Program ini sangat baik karena memang di sini tidak hanya secara simbolis JI bubar, kemudian pimpinan JI menyatakan pembubaran diri, tetapi dengan adanya rumah wasatiyah ini mereka terbuka bagi siapapun yang akan berdialog, berdiskusi terkait ideologi.
The journey from militancy to moderation is still a work in progress. For pesantren once linked to JI, sustained support is needed as they sweep away remnants of a troubled past, one where education becomes a tool for nation building to unite, not divide. Saiful Bahri Ismail, CNA, Ngawi, Indonesia.